Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. This is January from Wildflower Crossing. I am in a new 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom Barton. As you see, it is similar to some of our other 4-bedrooms. I know the lights are like shining weird, but it is a beautiful white kitchen, double pane sinks, island kitchen here, and this is a new 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a little bit of a twist. It does still have all of the black appliances, which are all from Frigidaire, and it is the exact same layout as our other ones, but this one just feels a little bit more special to me. Here I will take you into the main bedroom slash bathroom and give you guys kind of a quick little sneak peek of how these look. This is our last one that we will have available for quite some time. So if you are interested in a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, come check us out. As you see, we have stand-up showers in all of our masters. And then we also have a nice porcelain sink there. I'll give you guys a peek of the walk-in closet, which comes completely stocked with shelving. Perfect. And then we will enter into the opposite side. This house also has ceiling fans in the dining area as well as the living room, which is amazing also. Already comes pre-equipped with that. And then you get 3 nice size bedrooms on the opposite side, as well as a fabulous spare bathroom as well. Very spacious, if I might add. So if you are interested in any of our homes in this location, or you would like to come look at this one and check this out, because it is just a beauty, feel free to call us or contact us at 517-769-4365, or also come stop by and ask for a tour. My name is January once again, and we are located at 1642 Alyssum Court here in Albion, Michigan. If you are interested, like I said, come check us out. You guys have a great day, happy weekend, and thank God it's Friday.